MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam has called upon all officers currently serving in different departments to perform their duties sincerely and efficiently, emphasizing that sincere effort, even under challenging circumstances, can bring positive change in society. The MP made these remarks while attending a program related to inauguration of new community working shed under the MP Local Area Development Fund (MPLAD) at Akampat. The community shed is being built to support the women residing at the relief camp opened at Ideal Girls College, Akampat, who are engaged in weaving and other livelihood-generating activities. Speaking at the event, Dr. Bimol observed that the condition of displaced families in relief camps remain a matter of concern across Manipur. He remarked that many people continue to live under distress and uncertainty, and that despite the ongoing struggles, their resilience stands as a testament to the collective strength of the Manipuri society. MP Bimol further added that when displaced persons are able to return to their homes without fear, it will create conditions conducive to ending the ongoing conflict.
Sana changa kalaga apa benda sekandar agana Manipur yahu bapa pura pak ilang dalam segi dungai apa nunggu Manipur pada yang generasi berai casi sebenarnya macam apa yang pun membuat semua hal saya